Welcome to Park Manor West. This is the most popular freshman dorm room on campus, and it typically houses around 215 people. The dorm room types here are double rooms and triple rooms, and let's come on in. So down there we have a few classrooms, and if you take some of the courses, you'll be able to have classes down there. And if we walk this way, this is a common workspace that we have in West, and usually you use it for either working with other people on group projects such as the FME course and any other courses where you need to collaborate with other people. This is a great space for you to be in. And in West, we also have a bunch of vending machines for you to purchase foods and drinks whenever you want to. And now let's come on up to see the dorm room. Welcome to my friend Christiana's dorm room, and she also has a roommate. Here is the living space. Over here we have one person's living space, and over here we have the other person's living space. West is super close to the library, which is around a 1-minute walk away. It's also close to Trim Dining Hall, and last of all, the gym as well. It also overlooks to the Blank Center, which is the Entrepreneurship Center, and it's also super close to Tomaso Hall, so if you're a freshman or sophomore, you might have a lot of classes there. If you want to have a fridge and microwave, it is permitted in the room so that you can heat up your food easily and prepare food in your room if you want to. For a standard room, it comes with a bookshelf, a desk, and a chair. And we also have a dresser that's under the bed for you to store more stuff. And because the ceiling is very high, you can also loft up the bed to have even more space down here. There is also extra storage space for you to store extra personal belongings if you want to. And let's come on and take a look at the bathroom. In West, we have a gender-neutral bathroom, a women's bathroom, and a men's bathroom. This is the women's bathroom. There is a sink, a showering area, and the toilets over here. We are at the laundry room. There's a ton of laundry space that's free of charge for you to do your laundry, and there's also the dryer for you to dry your clothes.